right. Okay. Okay, just keep typing it on the chat where you're joining us from. If you're a guest, put your guest on the call. Um, your first time. If it's your first time, let me know. You're super appreciated. If it's your first time, it's always beautiful to have first timers here on the call. I guess put your guest. Okay, so we're officially streaming on the channels that I actually want to stream. So I have Moscow, Russia. I have South Africa, Austria, Australian. Okay, Abuja, South Africa, Cape Town in the building. I need to make some more other co-hosts. Let me make some more of you co-hosts so that you can help me with. Okay, Eli. Okay, Madam Aisha. All right, so you guys, more people are joining. So you guys help me. Eli, why is your name refusing co-responsibility? Okay, now you yeah, now you got it. Okay. So Cape Town, Antigua, Nigeria, Spring, South Africa, uh Enugu State, Dubai, Trinidad. Come on, put your name, your location, where you're joining this call from. Super excited. We're getting the numbers in right now. And we're officially started on this call. I'm feeling Tanzania in the building. Just put your name and your location. Get into that energy. We have a certain energy right now. We are almost there. Okay, put your name and your location and some beautiful emojis on the chat. Okay, Togo is here. Lagos, Nigeria here. Uh, Ogun State here. So drop it. Okay, India here. Sokoto State here. Okay, Equatorial Guinea here. So I'm live in different places. Priscilla from Ghana. Ghana represented. Nigeria. Okay. Yeah, now I'm seeing the excitement. It's getting to 9. We're almost at 10. You guys make it 10. Put some emojis, put some energies on the chat. Okay. We are product of the energy we put out. So you guys put the energy wherever you are, let your energy be represented. If you're not poor, okay, your energy will state it. If you're poor or lacking, your energy is going to state it. I am not ordinary, I am big. That's why I do big things. All right. Like coming out here right now and giving big value. That's big. Some of you made money from my last value. Put dollar signs on the chat if you made money from my last value. My last value, my last live with you. Put dollar signs if you made money. Okay. Put dollar signs on the chat. Dance, do some dancing on the chat. Let's go. All right. For those of you that are on live right now, shake your head. Shake your head. Let me know you got some value, some money signs on my chat. Okay. And we're gonna this call is not gonna be different. And we're moving fast into launch day. Put some fire emojis and some launch icon on the chat. Okay. If you're excited that we're moving, we're 4 days away from launch day. Okay. And I'm super excited. I bring out all of the value, I bring out all of the info I can. I know it's almost looking like wow, we should have started telling everybody. Now we have limited time to tell a lot of people, limited time, but I'm trying my best. Okay. And I'm grateful to God that you guys are helping. All right. A lot of people are getting more involved. A lot of people are getting more aware about what we're about doing. Okay. And it's so simple. I make it as simple as I can, and one of the things I shared before I came in here on the last call, because trust me, the reason we're on 10. All right. I need you guys to put 10 over 10, 10 over 10 on the chat. Now I feel the energy of 10. Okay. This event, for the first time, has given me an opportunity to see deeper into the experiences of trader more than ever before, more than I knew, more than I understood what the status quo of the trading environment. Yes, we know that 96% of the people in the trading space, they don't do well, they fail. And a lot of the 96% have actually been, is it retired? They've officially retired themselves from not trading because they don't have enough capital to continue anymore. Okay, that's why I was saying 96% of the people coming to this place, they fail within their first 6 months. Now, there's a difference between failing and or experiencing failure or quitting. Now, a large number of these people, they quit just because they've hit their wall. Now, I knew these numbers for the last 5 years. I have known this status quo, but I have not really been so close to hearing the stories of different people, not until at the last quarter of this year. Okay, I would say we shifted a little backward, maybe last month. I think over the course of last month, I've interacted practically, okay, with over close to about maybe 700 traders, one-on-one. And you know what their stories are? They're not crushing it. Trading has crushed them. It's hard, so that gives me so much purpose, so much, because these are lives, these are people that they're not different from me when I got started. Well, maybe the interest is different, but the desire may not be different. But what separated the outcome from what it is they are now experiencing was the fact that I knew something that they didn't know, or I knew something that they did know, but they did not know how to get it done. Like many of you right now, you have access to mentorship, but you don't know how to use mentorship. Many of you have access to money, but you don't know how to be profitable with money. Many of you have access to the trainings, but you're not disciplined using the training, which means there is a factor about you that you have not figured out, okay, that you need to step back and figure out. Because it's not the inavailability of funds. It's not the inavailability of skill resource. It's not the inavailability of mentorship, okay, that has made you fail or you're not experiencing success. Now, I'm not a trader that just get people from the low. I also assist people who are already growing, who are already so fantastic in trading. But this time around, my antenna is tuned towards the people who you get exposed to. You're going to feel your emotions. Say the function of the mind, all right, leads to what? The function of your emotion. That's after your intention, and it will eventually lead to the function of what? Your action. My action right about now is based on the function of my emotion. Okay, I am intentionally emotionalized towards helping traders that are being crushed, or they've been crushed within this space. Because why? The success stories that comes with people who have already made it is so small, but the ones that comes with those who struggle and they eventually make it is so big. How many of you agree? How many of you agree with me? Okay. There's an emotion that goes towards people who couldn't do it, but eventually figured out how they can do it. So I'm directing my emotion, my compassion towards helping people who don't know how to fix it. Let me help you fix your trading journey over the next 6 months, over the next 1 year. And I cannot do it if you only allow me. That is really why we're here every day. That is really why we're doing what it is we're doing. That is really why we're launching. Okay. Just to give you the opportunity to get fixed. Just to give you the opportunity to get. Now, you may think you're not broken. All right. And I'm not saying this because I think you are broken. Okay. But if there is a part of you that needs to be a better version of yourself, you need to discover. Okay. If there is a part of you that needs to be a different version of your bank account, you need to evolve. Okay. And if the part of you that wants to actually experience freedom, you need to grow. That is the Discover, Evolve, Grow movement. We're launching on the 16th of December, live in Lagos for those of you that are already cost oriented. Okay. And for those of you that are going to be participating anywhere in the world, okay, you've registered. It's actually for free. Okay. Go get your spot. How many of you you're spotted? How many of you are spotted? Put I'm spotted. When I say you're spotted, you've already registered and you've gotten your confirmation that you're registered. If you're not, I cannot work with you if you're not spotted. That's the truth. Okay. I know a lot of people. You guys know I know a lot of people. All right. I know a lot of people are connected to me. Just a moment. I got an information. Just a moment. And if you are spotted already, there is an invite flyer. Let me see if I can pull it up. Where is it on Discord right now? Okay, let's see. There is an invite flyer. For those of you that are here, I'm actually live on I'm live on YouTube. You can go to my YouTube Ken Remote if you want to see what I'm sharing on my screen. Okay. Okay, where's the flyer right now? Good. Look at this beautiful face. These are the people that are spotted. This is Mr. Ita Famous. Sorry. This is Mr. Prince Omo. Okay. Mr. Ita Famous, you should be spotted. You're spotted, but your picture is not yet. Okay. That's because you've not sent your picture. All right. This Mother Tracy Satwell. She's spotted. Okay. I am attending. Okay. This is the almighty Madam Noxie. Come on, let's go. She's the big. All right. This is what, if you're spotted, that's what I should be saying. It should be all over your pages. I know some of you are blushing right now. Okay, I need to go get mine done. You want to see yours. You better send it in. Let's send you yours. That's when you're spotted. If you're not spotted, and when you this, I see you in my dreams. And it is good for me to see you in my dreams. All right. It's one place you want to stay. If just take what I'm telling you. If I see you in my dreams, my subconscious is routing for you, is praying for you. Okay, that's the only way I can see you in my dreams. If I could see the faces that I'm reaching out to every day. So by the time you send your picture, I could see a name to the face. All right. I could see a face to the name that I see every day. It's very, very important. Okay. It's one of the way of getting closer to proximity. That is a mental proximity. And that's one way you can do. So for those of you that are not yet spotted, make sure you go get spotted. All right. So how many of you are going to, you want to get spotted? So I'm getting spotted. Put it on the chat. Let me know you're getting spotted. I just showed you what you need to do. Okay. Who are we sending the pictures to? If you registered and you filled the form, there's a link of the WhatsApp group that was sent in your email. All right. And if you click on the link, you're going to be added to that's the link to get added to the WhatsApp group. And if you are in the WhatsApp group, okay, there is a message that was sent where you can send the picture to. There's a WhatsApp number that was there. Just follow instructions. Stay connected, okay? That's the best I can do. I make the available opportunity for you to connect. But connecting, I cannot connect for you, all right? So don't get that day and say, oh, I attended this event, but I didn't participate. I was not, because the only way we're going to do the raffles, the giveaways is going to come from that WhatsApp group. All right. So if you're not in that WhatsApp, because we're gonna give instruction. The moment we're live, we're gonna be giving instruction on that WhatsApp group. This is what you're all to do. For those of you that are online, pick your number. You're gonna pick your number. We're gonna add your number to the ballot. All right. Everything, if you're gonna win, those of you that are gonna win live account, those of you that are gonna win money, everything you're gonna win is gonna come from that WhatsApp group. So if you're not spotted, you're not in that WhatsApp group, it's not gonna be on me. And that day, there's not gonna be a customer care service that day, where you're going to be, okay, when should I do this? There's not going to be a customer care. This is the time. You see the energy I'm putting out to do this, okay, even before our live trading, I'm doing it so that you can get spotted and you can be in the right position, okay, to be positioned. Am I making sense? All right. How do you register? That's a beautiful question. How many of you, if you want to register, put I want to register. If you're not registered in the event yet and you want to register, put I want to register. So this is what you can do to register. Go to www.pewatnation.org. Okay, someone type it on the chat. www.pewatnation.org. So what am I saying? Can we calm down? You're being too fast right now. Okay. All right. So www.pewatnation.org. That is the web page to register for the event. Okay. And when you register, it's free. You're gonna have access to attend online. Okay. And to get the link to attend online, you have to be on the WhatsApp group, because that's where we're gonna send the link details. Okay. To get the WhatsApp link, you have to, it's gonna follow through the mail of completion when you register. You're gonna see, just make sure your network is good. You're gonna see a WhatsApp add-on. You're gonna see it down. Just scroll down on your mail. You're gonna be added. Okay. Which link are we to click for the WhatsApp? It's there in your mail, right? After you submit, you're gonna see the WhatsApp. Does that make sense? Any question again before further? All right. Because there's gonna be amazing and exciting giveaways. So I don't know. So let me give you guys a bit and the category of the giveaway. Can I do that? All right. The category of the giveaway. Can I share here? Just a hint. I wanted to do that yesterday, but I always take excuse. I have a leader. Okay. I have someone who manages my mouth before I release stuff. Okay, good. So what is really the idea of the launch of Pewat Nation? Not only are we launching our first year, so it's our first year anniversary. It's happening in December. December happened to be a time of celebration. It's a time of love because it's Christmas. So we happen to birth this vision, okay, during the period of Christmas. And what's happening drastically with them? I hope you guys are not having network issue. So we're doing our 1-year anniversary. And we are also launching something unique. This is something that I've always wished for, and God is getting us to establish it the 2nd year after our launch of Pewat Nation. So Pewat Nation is launching, and it is 1st year. But guess what else is launching? The Can Remove Foundation. All right. So how many of you are excited about that? So the Can Remove Foundation is launching on our event. That is one of the most remarkable things. So it's not just an event, okay? It's the start of something big. This is, and what does this represent? Okay, I'm not just a coach in here in this environment. I'm a wealth and a life coach. So there's a part of me that has a ministry of impact, okay? And God has given me a vehicle to elevate, to educate and elevate people. But most importantly, there's a financial part and a financial responsibility that comes with this ministry. So we'll be starting, and one of the things I'm clearly looking at is our first goal. I've been in this industry, and not that I am biased, okay, but I see mothers are doing a lot, mostly when they are single, okay, single parent. So I'm using mothers right now, but it's actually single parent, but our attention is going to be more about mothers. So our first edition, the first quarter of 2024, starting from this launch, we're going to be paying attention to really giving to single mothers, help them, establish as much as we can, okay, through our vehicle, the Pewat Nation. So the Can Remove Foundation, in collaboration with Pewat Nation, is going to be helping. And this is going to come monetary giving, scholarship, all right? And that is what the PET cost is, an aid to give to this part. So whatsoever that is scheduled to be the payment for the course I'm doing, that's what I'm doing that course for. It's almost free, but the whole goal is it's going to raise what is going to help single mothers, okay? Are you guys excited about that? That is one side of the foundation. That's one side of the event that is mind-blowing, all right? And you want to be part of anything that is big, because this is big. When I do something, I don't know how to do anything that is small. I am big, all right? And the truth is, the best thing you can do for yourself is to be part of something big. Okay, so not only are we teaching the skill of trading, but we're empowering people. It's gonna move from just single mothers. All right, the fathers are going to come in there because there are some men, and I'm not cheating men. Women come first. So it's not me, ladies first. It's a law of the universe. Not that because they are the weaker link. They are not weak. Nobody, don't even try, don't dare. Don't even say, never come from your mouth that women are the weaker vessels. You are joking. All right, they are powerful. Okay, they deserve attention. Without them, we will not be balanced. There will not be balancing. Yeah, they may have introduced imbalance, but they found the responsibility to balance the imbalance. So we give it to them. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Now, what is the other thing that we are adding to it? So the cost. Another thing is that we're launching a course. The course itself is a giveaway. I see a lot of traders are struggling, and one of the things I'm doing is I'm offering what they need. And the truth is, I'm putting it to your face right now. Okay, it's counterintuitive, which means you're not going to think you need what it is that I'm giving to you. I bet you that is when you're going to know you need it. Because guess what? We don't know how to need or want. And I shared that in my last live. Okay. So I'm going to be giving you an opportunity within a time frame of less than 6 weeks. I'll be giving an opportunity for proper mentorship and reprogramming for a better year of trading. And if you want to make a decision to upgrade that reprogramming to be part of the community, to be part of the mentorship, to be part of the journey, the power niche, it's going to be on you, but I'll just give you the foundation. And part of the things we're going to be doing is some of the students are going to get what we call a scholarship. All right, there's something that I'm working. They're going to get a scholarship for the course. Some people are going to, there's some people that are already involved in the course. Okay, we get an opportunity to get funded accounts because you're going to learn this thing and you will need something to start. Okay, so not only will the information empower you, but it will also give you an opportunity to get something to start. So we're going to be giving some of the students trading accounts. Some are going to be live, some are going to be more, it's going to be more of a valuation, but some are going to be live. Okay, and that's all coming from the foundation aspect of this business. Now, so that is about the foundation. But let's come to Pewat Nation. I need everybody to put Pewat Nation on the chat. Okay, put Pewat Nation and put it with some emotion, like as if you are, no, like you are a millionaire, a multi-millionaire, or a billionaire. Put it on the chat. Okay, a lot of people do not know division, educate to liberate, and they don't know what we stand for. Okay, and just like every business, the best way to know something is when it launches. So we're really launching the information out there. We are a big community that is set out to offer you just a couple of the most priceless things in trading. Okay, family. I need everybody to write family on the chat. As just imagine you came here and said, I'm offering you family. How does it sound? You guys talk to me. How does it sound? Family. Will I eat family? That's what is, I believe some of you just said that to your mind. Who family help? Will family add money to my trading account? How many of you? Am I being honest right now? If I'm catching you, it's okay. Okay, put 2 on the chat if I know you will not confess, but I understand. Okay, for that to be the first thing that I'm saying, family is the first thing that I said Pewat Nation is offering you. It's priceless. A lot of people today, they don't suffer in life because they lack resources. They suffer in life because they lack an environment of love. It's true love. How many of you agree with me? And family is the foundation of love. True family. And there is something about family when it's not the blood lineage. There's a sentimental value that goes with blood lineage. Okay. But there is the true value. A family that is birthed by a vision, is God-oriented, is true family. One of the exceptional things that have made me exceptional, can I tell you, one of my secrets that has helped me grow as a trader is the fact that I am relationship oriented. The best monies in this world are made from relationship. When I came in, I sought for relationship. I built relationship. I served relationship. And guess what? I have been rewarded with the opportunity to give to relationship. It's all about family. Today in our trading community, there are people that are not connected by friendship as traders. True or true? I've been able to connect you to true connect. A lot of people don't. Do you know what it means that you're having an issue? You have a mentor. Do you know what it? No, let me not even say Pewat Nation right now. Many of you are suffering. You don't know who to meet. You just need to understand support and resistance, and you don't know who to meet. You're having issues with trading, and you don't know. How many of you are there? You are isolated and alone. Let me know in the chat. And many of you think you are in communities, you have mentors, you have coaches, but you don't have relationship with them. How many of you have been there? I'm just saying it the way it is. Okay? I'm saying it the way it is. I'm not trying to sugarcoat it, but I'll tell you this. Okay? When you wake up every morning and you're going in a certain direction and you do not know what to do and you do not know who to ask or what to do, and there's nobody physically guiding you or mentally coaching you, this life is going to be hard for you. Put 100 if you understand what I'm saying. I'm letting you guys know the value of family. You can't buy it. Okay? That you can wake. Some people talk to me when I ought to be sleeping. I've had conversation of hours with some people just addressing their, and it has nothing to do with trading. Just because if you assess my environment, you have assessed my life. And not only that, I've given you an opportunity to assess other people of like minds. It's priceless. You see why I'm taking, you see why I'm relaxed, taking time to tell you this thing? Because many people do not know that is the wealth they are avoiding. They had it. Everybody have access to family, but we don't just know where to invest our family lives. All right. So Pewat Nation gave you a foundation to connect with families. And that's what we do in trading. We trade right now. But one of the most significant things I've done in trading, I didn't make it about me. I made it about you. Okay. So there is a community of traders that I'm building. So when you come in right now, when I show you my accountability group as a trader and as a mentor, I created an accountability group for every of my traders that are following instructions. But what do we do there? We relate our minds. Yesterday, we looked at charts together. You're going to tell me, okay, what chart you're looking at, and I'm going to look at it with you, and I will tell the team this is what we are all looking at based on your idea, okay? And I can tell you this is what you should do, and all you just need to do is stay and do it, and we all make money from it. People don't make money from me, okay? How many of you made money on UJ? Put dollar signs. How many of you made money on UJ? I know some of you. I even said it yesterday. I said that I was getting in on the trade yesterday when I was analyzing it. I said it. I was getting in on the trade. So you should have gotten in on that trade. You would have made money if you got in with me. Who did I give the trade to, or who made us analyze it? Is it not Symbol? All right. It's beautiful. And this morning, he told you guys, was it Cambry that told you guys that the trade was getting ready? Though it didn't really get. Symbol, you took that trade. Symbol here. I know. Symbol, are you here? Something tells me you got in on that trade before it got to that up. Something tells, I'm just feeling it. I have a feeling in my nuts that you got in on that trade. Okay. I said it. You got in, right? He got in. Okay. You know, when there's a feeling you have, we know that feeling. If you have entered trade, the way you will say it, this trade is getting ready. It's not getting ready. You have already entered me. You are saying it is ready. You have entered. You started making money. That's why you're announcing it. Okay. So that's the beautiful thing about the family we have created. I don't have to be the one to tell you, or you would depend on that. Oh, this trade is ready. There are multiple opportunities that everybody has that will set up everybody. Okay. And when this one is ready, this one comes out, oh, this one is ready based on the standard of Cambry. Okay. So the Cambry is not a standard from me, it's a standard of everyone. How many of you love that? and it has made you more of a better trader. That is what we've done. So that's family. That's why I price family as the most important thing that I've done here. It makes you more of you than, sometimes when we set the standard of mentorship, a lot of people don't get it because they have to please and stay based on our standard. No, I am the one coming to your standard to say, you know what, just be my friend. Let me help you the way you are. Okay. That is really what it means. Okay. If you love that, put 7 on the chat. Whether you're a guest on this call, that is the first thing about what we have. We fail together, we win together, we cry together. Though I don't like to lick people's wounds, neither do I lick my wounds, but I would encourage you when you're wounded. That's the most important thing, because a lot of people don't know there are broken times. That's why because of you, I do share my broken times with you, because you're family. I have nothing to hide, because guess what? We're growing together. Okay, so there's no way I can hide. Unless I have another motive, I take the same trade, and if I get, yesterday I told you I got in. There are times I get in on trade and I tell you this is the account. I do things and I tell you guys the truth. That's because we are family. Okay. Now, what is the other thing aside the family factor? What is the other thing that we have that we've offered? I would take it to be a disciplined nature. Everything is a product of an environment. Many traders do not know how to be disciplined. And many people have learned to be disciplined a different way. One of the ways is they think if they have a lot of money, they're going to be different. They're going to be disciplined. Have you guys found out that that's not true? A lot of money will not make you disciplined. It will only even amplify your indiscipline. Do you guys agree with me? Put 100 on the chat. Okay? Put 100. A lot of money will amplify your indiscipline. Because if you're using $100 and you're trading with mini one, if you move it to $1,000, you're going to trade with a standard lot size. It just amplifies your indiscipline. Okay, it's not the inavailability of money, it's the ability to manage money. A lot of people don't have it, and that's discipline. Okay, because we're doing it together and you're seeing how we're making progress and making mistakes. It's going to be very easy for you to do it with us and get our result than do it with you and get your results. That is one of the environments we've created, okay, in our trading. Not only, you can see that one thing I'm not selling to you guys right now is our profitability. I'm not telling you today that I am a profitable trader and a coach. It's insignificant. Oh, you did not plan to hear that? Oh, many of you are looking for profitable trades. Put 10. How many of you are looking for you just want profitable trades? Put 10 on the chat. Put 10. Before now, your mind is, I just need a strategy that is very profitable. Okay? It's insignificant. At least you guys know me for truth. Is it important? Yes, but it's importantly insignificant. Okay? If you have a good trading attitude, you can be 40% a winner, 60% a loser, and you still be in profit. If you have a good trading risk to reward attitude, it's not really about your profitability. It's your manageability. A lot of people don't know that. So I'm not really here to advertise. We're good in trading. How many of you know we're good? I have a strategy since September. I don't brag about it. You guys type it on the chat. The concept strategy. What has been the result of the concept strategy? $100 what? 100 pieces of cane or 100 Barbie dolls? 100 what? I don't brag about it. I don't even talk. It's some of you, it's only Tuesday that you hear me talk about the concept strategy. Right? Am I being honest? It's only Tuesday that we're trading, because the reason I talk about it is probably because I'm going to use it to analyze. But why don't I talk about it? There's a way I want to now start programming traders, because what I offer you when you attend that, you are like a child. When you promise a child something, okay, their mind stay on it. And I want to be careful what I promise you. I don't want to promise you profitability, all right, when you have to learn the hard stuff first. So I'm promising you things that will give you energy to go through the hard stuff, because profitability is our lifestyle. You guys have followed me all from the days of I am. You know something about me. Okay. My win ratio, I'm an excellent trader. So I strive towards excellence. Now it's my nature. I don't even brag about it. At least I used to post my result. And a lot, we do that for attraction. See, you know what? I'm not trying to attract anybody. Okay. Do I like to attract you? Yes. But what I do is not to attract you. Okay. I do what I do to serve you. I do what I do because it's my nature. There's a good business in attracting you, but I don't want to attract you the wrong way. I want to be different because that's my name. Okay. The only way you can change something that I don't want to say, if you don't want to beat them, join them. I don't want to join them. Because if I put a message in my concept strategy, everybody would buy it. Because since September, since we launched the strategy, we've not had a losing trade if you follow the parameter of that strategy. Many systems would build to their next level with just that. But I've not even launched it for you guys. You know why? Because I'm still taking care of the basic foundation of you. Get right, you get it right. Because if I give you the concept strategy right now, nothing is going to change. The concept strategy will give you your result. Okay? Because the concept strategy is not on its own. It's you that uses it, that it reflects. So let's help you. Does that make sense? How many of you are excited about what I'm sharing with you right now? Okay, I'm just trying to bring in the best of integrity in trading, because that is the only way you can know the truth. Okay, aside the concept strategy, all of our strategies have been doing well over 90%. So profitability is not a problem in my environment. It's part of your birthright. But there are things that are problem, okay? Like not having access to funds. Is that a major problem? Okay. Not being able to manage funds. Is that a major problem? Do you know one of the most, it's a strong problem a lot of people don't know how to take care of? Following instructions. Many people, they are genetically built not to follow instructions and they don't even know. But that is your key of success. Is that a major problem? Do you think money or complete walk away or perfect walk away will solve the problem of not being able to follow instructions? No, friends, let's tell ourselves the truth. It won't. Okay, so I created measures for those problems to be solved so that you can enjoy all of these things that are good. So we give you access to getting access to funded accounts. So if you come in here, you don't have to have a lot of money. A lot of money is needed, but you can access a lot of money. Now, for those who do not have a lot of money, I also offer you mentorship that would help you begin to be productive. Aside trading, you can be productive financially. Is that a major solution? That is the environment we're launching on the 16th. So if you think everything that I've listed is of value to you and is part of the things you do not benefit as a trader, okay, this is one invite for you. Get registered for that event and explore and get yourself exposed to the opportunities. You see one thing I'm consciously doing. This event, do you know, in the launch, I did not tell you guys about the automation. And it's 4 days to the event. I am not still telling. I've said that I want to tell you. I've said that I want to tell you, but it's everything about my spirit it's not letting it out. Because why? I have programmed myself to accept that I don't want to give you what you want. I don't want to give you what your wants are. I want to give you what your needs are. Okay? You must, even in investing, okay, there is a law and a principle of investing. Something has to come first, which is get right. You cannot get right by trying to earn money. So my automation is to get you to earn money. You have to be a good investor for you to earn money. Now, a lot of people have failed in earning money because they don't. Do you know what I've suffered over the last couple? I suffer a lot of things and it's affecting my backbone because I got the message out quickly and a lot of people got involved. Those people are corrupting me. So something that was supposed to help You turned me to an unnecessary manager because the wrong people got the wrong concept of investing. This time around, I want to do right by you. It's better I don't even have that product, okay, than have it and attract the wrong people. So before I'm going to really lay out that powerful product, the automation, where you could use you could change your monthly income to, you could change your yearly income to your monthly income. You could change your yearly income to your weekly income simply by access to potential through our automation. It's a beautiful product. That's what I'm supposed to be talking about if I want to attract you. Am I correct? But I'm not talking about it because I don't want to attract that part of you. I want to attract the part that I've made the decision that, you know what, over the years, I've not been doing right. It is high time I face this problem and knock it off, rather than looking for what? The recipe for the symptoms. Let me face this problem. I can, and I need a mentor and I need a coach. Let's go on this ride. That is the person I want to attract. And if you are that person, 2024 is ours. I am committed. Okay. And part of the things you're going to be seeing are, you are going to be benefiting from our automation. Okay. When the time is due for you, you're going to be benefiting from our trade ideas. But most importantly, I cannot leave this call without telling you about one of our amazing innovation. What's that? Now, I created an idea and the idea has become physical. So many of you are going to have access to I'm trying to take excuse in my mind if I should say it. Okay. I think the videos are all going to be coming out today. But Power Nation is launching its first application. First trading application. It's going to be your trade body. So you don't have to be looking for profitable trades. It will come to you as a friend in your hand. Okay. So it's going to be our first trading application. And this is going to be open for everyone, whether you are in Power Nation or not, but different interface. Okay. There's going to be the one for outsiders. Those of you that are outcast, you don't want to be, your own is, this is what I want. We'll give it to you. We'll give you what you want. Okay. That's why I saved it for the last, because it's your want. It's not the need. But if it's trades you want, you have an account and you just need trades, we'll give it to you. So that is one of the things we're launching, all right, on the 16th. So every one of you that's going to attend this event, you're going to be first, the implication of attending, you're going to be the first to benefit from this, amazing tool that we are launching. It's going to help your trading. So after I teach you and I set you right over the course of this 1 month, trading ideas will not be a problem, because I will give you something that would help you nurse your journey if you want to run on your own. Okay. But it's actually a birthright for those that are already the pioneers of Power Nation. Okay. So that is about everything, the happiness, the excitement that we're launching. And guess what? Psychologists, business psychology states the biggest potentials are not in things that are already established. They are the things that are seedly established. You see your potentials in seeds that have been planted and they have the capacity to grow. That's where you see your biggest potential. And it comes with a limited price, because for you to partner with a tree and to partner with a seed, it takes less funds. So I've given you an opportunity to partner with a seed that has just been sown. Okay, be big. So that is about what we have. And I'm going to take the next, couple of minutes to tell you the ideas that we've set. I've already set trades. I'm just going to tell you what to look at, and I'm be off your face. Okay, so USD JPY. Okay, USD JPY, we're already on it. Okay, and I believe this is the next, guys, watch. All right, this is our next sell. This is our next concept sell. This area, the market comes to this area, there's going to be a sell. Most times it may continue going down from here, but this is my next sell on USD JPY. All right, this area is a sell. Also, this area is a sell. So watch out. If the market comes to the 146.26 area and rejects a 1 hour candle, now why am I telling you? Why should you always look out for the rejection? If a market is on its momentum, on the bullish or bearish, okay, the momentum is stated by candle. Its rejection is stated by candle. If there is a weakening out on the, now I don't do wicks, but if I meet a major zone, if the market hits a major zone and it closes on the red candle, that is, it means the market has halted for an opportunity for other people to take over. Okay, that is a halt of momentum. So it takes a bullish run to ride this market here. So for the bullish run to be halted, the only way I'm going to know the bullish run has been halted, if it hits this area, it doesn't break above, and it closes a lower candle, a sell candle below the zone, that's my entry. Okay, and my stop loss is going to be above here. So you can also take this. You can take a screenshot of this. This also fall. This is the entry, all right, and stop loss is going to be above. Stop loss is going to be around 146.65. That is when this trade, the next trade on this market for continuous bearish. If it doesn't want to continue bearish, okay, we're going to be looking at for the bullish run, retest of this area, I'm going to be buying. Okay, so that's about our opportunity in USD JPY. Okay, you guys grab? Say grab. Who grab on the chat if you grab that? I told you guys I'm not, I'm just going to give you guys the ideas. Grab. All right, good. If you, I didn't do Euro USD, but we did EA. I think we gave an idea on EA yesterday. Show the view. So, all right. So I was looking at the market closing in on a red here, but it didn't. Do you see why I told you guys that it is always important to watch out for the closing of the red? If it hits, let it close. This was when the candle hit, but it did not close on the red and it moved. So it means the momentum is not dead yet. Okay. So what are the different possibilities? I actually told you guys that this market comes here, it's going to come here, did it, and it's going back up. You see this signal right now is playing out. Okay. This market was to hit here, come back down here, hit here, and this is what happened. And look at it going up. So what is the next projection for this market? This was a projection. You guys that are here right now, you're not enjoying me, you're enjoying my face. Okay, but you're looking at me is distracting me. So what I'm going to do right now, this recording is actually live on YouTube. It's actually still live, so you can hop on my YouTube at Ken Vrimo. Okay, and if you're just watching this, you can actually go on the recording, Ken Vrimo, and you watch it as a recording. God bless you guys. Bye-bye. Okay. The eyes are hitting me on my face. So what is the next projection for this market? All right. You know, I told you guys that this was a buy, right? Yesterday, because of the harmonics I gave you. Okay. It's still on the bullish. So what do we expect this market to do over the next couple of hours? Is it's going to break above this area, come to this area. I think we're getting on concept. Okay. Hold on, guys. Hold on, guys. So this was supposed to be a clear concept. Market has broken the concept. So we're going to be looking at for an outlaw. All right. So if it breaks here right now, come back to this, or probably come back to this, we're going to have an outlaw trade, outlaw concept trade when the market comes back to here. Okay, or here. So that is about what we're going to be looking at for. But if it clearly comes back to this area, okay, you guys can actually buy it. It falls into two perspective happens on this trade. Euro AUD, if it breaks, it already broke this previous ceiling. Okay, if it retests that ceiling, that is price trap. Okay, and beautifully well, if it comes back to this area, it's not just price trap. It's the break of the trend and the retest of the trend. That's break of structure and retest of structure. And it's actually a baby friend of the outlaw concept. So that's a beautiful way to buy this market very well. Okay, so you can buy this market when it comes back to this area and it rejects and open. So if it retests hourly, okay, which is the hourly candle, if another candle comes here and retests and a new hourly candle opens and closes above this area, you enter for a buy and you can put your stop loss. It's stop loss for this market is a big one. Let's see, but I'm not going to do, let's see here, 41. Okay, you can put it below this low, okay, which is almost 50 pips. But if you want to be very conservative, you could just put it no good area here except this one, okay, which is about 50 pips. That's the best I can give this market, except you want to take this weeks, which is about 27 to 30 pips. All right. So that's going to be your choice. But let us retest here. So this is what I'm looking at for right now. Market comes back here, okay, for it to go up. Does this make sense? All right. Put sense on the chart if you guys got this. So I'm just going to copy this and I'll drop it on the link, the chat, Zoom chat here. So you guys can get it. All right. For those of you, I know YouTube will always be like, oh, where is it? Where is it? Can I get it? Can I get it? Let me send it on the YouTube channel. Okay, so you can copy it. I just sent it. That's the chart for that trade. Okay, the next trade we analyzed yesterday, GJ is already, so let's see GJ. Okay, so GJ, I told you guys this is the next place for a buy. Let's give it time. Okay, let's give it time. It's broken this area right now. It's retesting it. This is where I want to buy GJ. If it comes here, closes a 1 hour or 4 hour, okay, and it doesn't break below this, I'm going to now look for a 1 hour closing on top of this area or a 4 hour closing. I'm going to buy this market all the way to this area. That's a swing. If the market hits here, it's a confirmation that the market has retested the harmonics, okay, created a consolidation, broke out on the consolidation on the 1 hour, moved. So the next one is either going to be on the 4 hour and daily. That is, watch out for it. Don't miss out. Don't miss out. If you want to get a very good idea, I pray this market comes here. Don't miss out. Okay. This is the next big trade for me. All right. This market comes here. Stop loss is normally supposed to be around here, which happens to be, is this 132 pips? That's stupid. Man, crazy. That's 131 pips. So that's crazy. So on a norm, you want to take this type of trade. Okay. You just make a decision if you want to do a 15 minutes. But this is actually the stop loss you're supposed to use. All right. Because you're swinging all the way here. So it's actually 1 to 2. It's actually 1 to 2, almost 1 to 3. But if you want to minimize it so that you have different options, just find a 15-minute low. So this is actually a 15-minute low, which is not my style. I don't know how to do that anyway. Okay, so there is a low here. It's still it. It's still it. So the truth is, the trade is, your stop loss is actually supposed to be below here. And that's a lot. Trust me. No, I'm not getting this right. If I enter the trade here, oh boy, plenty. But you know one thing about trading, I will just give you what. Now, this is a part of trading that a lot of people don't know how to manage. Okay. I mean, I'm not learning it the easier way. I want to go the hard way. Normally, this is what's supposed to be your stop loss. But if you want to make it, you're not too sure, you don't want to give it too much because you want to get it quickly. All right, you can put it below this area. All right, and that's going to be almost just that's just going to be 25 pips. So the moment the candle comes here, closes, and it opens a new one, you can put it below this area. So that is the sharpest way, okay? You can actually treat this market for a buy. And if you do 25 pips and it goes all the way to this area, that is a total of 1 to 14. Okay, that's almost 1 to 15. So it means if you invested $100 times 15 is what you're going to get from this trade if you allow the trade play all the way to this area, which is remarkable. Okay, but trading is not like Disneyland. Me, I would have taken different profits from here. Okay, makes sense, right? So that's the trade on USD GBP JPY, and I think that's the last trade was GA. So man, I told you guys this was next sell on GA the last time I came with you guys on this session, and I made money on this market. It dropped very well. This is supposed to be the next area on the sell. Okay, let's look at if we got, okay, hold on. So there's a floor here. Here is supposed to be the next concept. Okay, let me go to one. Okay, so we got an area here that is a floor and is also a ceiling, multiple areas of ceilings. Okay, yep. So there's a ceiling which happens to be a floor around here. So that's a zone for the market to play out over the next. So if the market comes here, we got to trade. Okay, we got to trade if the market comes here for a sell on GA. So Madam Noxolo, you got something to watch out for. Market hits here. All right, just let everybody know so that we can trade. I already put an alert on that one. So that is the next sell area on GBP AUD. How do you sell? Market hits here, closes on. It closes, doesn't break above. That is the signal for what? A respect. The next thing is what? A signal for what? Entry, which is a closing candle on a red. Does this make sense? Have you guys gotten value? So these are the 4 trades I have for you. And I've practically told you the next areas we're going to be waiting for trades. And if I come here next time, I'm going to be telling you, okay, this is what this trade I've done. This is what this trade I've done. But the question is, are you really benefiting from this? All right. Are you really benefiting from this? So I have a community that we are chilling and trading together. When this aligns right now, we're going to get in on the trade together strong. So that is GA, that is GJ, that is EA, and that is USDJPY. The link is, let me drop the link again for those of you that are here. Okay, my time is done here. Any questions so far? Oh, why are you dropping? Why are you dropping? Why are you dropping? Come on. Oh, we do that. All right. So sheesh. How's the guy dropping? We've not entered his dropping. Why is he taking your money away? Any questions so far? Just gonna give you guys 1 minute to ask a question. All right. Factor of connectivity. So, Madam Noxolo, you can actually send the link I'm sending right now in our accountability group so they don't miss out on it. Okay. Any questions so far? Okay, how many of you have gotten value? You're excited about the value you've gotten. Put I'm excited on the chat. Yeah, and if you have something you want to ask me, I give you an opportunity to ask me right now. Okay. We have 2 minutes to ask any question. Ten seconds gone out of the 2 minutes. I'm just counting down. Oh, man, Noxolo, you want me to do that on this call? Nah. She wanted me to explain about harmonics. No, we can do that on Thursday. I'll do it on Thursday morning session, on our binary trading session. After our binary trading session, remind me. Okay, I'm going to do it. After we make money on binary, I'm going to do that. Okay. Does Pewat Nation still use MT4? No, we don't use MT4 no more because our trading platform is MT5. The broker we're using right now, their trading platform is in MT5. Okay. I think we're exhausted. 1 minute, 1 minute to go. Any question, you have the opportunity. Like I said, your life is proportionally equal to the kind of questions you've asked or you didn't ask. Now you have the opportunity to ask me a question. Don't get confused. Don't stop wandering around. Shoot it if you want to. "20 seconds have gone out of the remaining 1 minute. What's the starting fee, a monthly fee to join in Power Nation? That's an amazing question. So our minimum plan for this period right about now is 3 months, which is going to be that's phasing out with the year. Okay, that's actually phasing out. That's going to be that's going to be ever the minimum plan. $350 for 3 months. Okay, after which you do a 1 month plan of $100 respectively. Now, but that's going to be the end of it. We're changing methods. So we're going to be having the community for free. For those who like free, just get an account, join the free group, where if I have trainings that are free, I'll put there 1 or 2 trade ideas for the week. These are for people who have accepted their inability. They've accepted their inability, that they don't have what it takes. Okay, there's no excuse. If you have accepted it, we have a place to help you. Now, for those of you who have already learned and you're not willing to commit into mentorship, you think you can lead yourself, you just want to get into this guerrilla move of trading, and you just need signals, you can get the app. All right, the app. If the app you want to be getting every month, you can get the app. Then for those of you who want to make a difference in your life, to make a difference in your trading, you really want to shift from not having to having enough. Okay, there's something that's going to be added. This is where the impact, the training, the mentorship, and it's only going to come minimum. The minimum access fee is going to be 6 months. All right, because why? There's a why to everything. Okay, it's a ladder, so it's going to be your choice. Does that make sense? Did I answer that question? Okay, so make a decision in your mind. Your success, your life is a function of your mind. Make a decision that this is what you want, and everything the universe is going to do is to give you the desires of your heart. But when you shut your doors, that I cannot do this, the universe can't do it for you. God can't do it for you, because you have said, I can't do this. I don't have what it takes. But God has said all things. You say, my God can do everything more than you can think. And he said he can do it abundantly. But according to what? The power that worketh in you. So the moment you shut your doors and say, I cannot do this, I don't have what it takes. God said you had what it takes, but you said, I don't have what it takes. What happens? Severe it out. All right. These are part of the things you're going to learn. God bless each and every one of you. God, I'll see you guys on, I don't know if I'm going to see you on Friday, but I know I'm going to see, for those of you that have registered, I'm also going to be seeing you. Okay. Tomorrow, I'm going to make a time to have a session with you. Next tomorrow, I'm going to try and make a time to have a session with you. I believe every day, okay, I am coming on live. I will try as much as possible to get you guys involved, because now you have connected with me. And the moment you are in my space, I don't know how to not get people involved. All right. So see you guys. Bye-bye.